How to have BuddyPress quote post type activity feature. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to have BuddyPress quote post type activity feature. As you know, BuddyPress does not offer this feature. But with Youzify, you can have it for free. Even your members can upload images and make them as the quote background. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once Youzify is active, please go to Youzify panel, General Settings, and then Wall Settings. Navigate to control wall posts visibility and enable quote posts. And let's see the results. Now your members can post a beauty quote to the activity stream. Just upload an image as quote background, write the quote and the quote owner and then post it. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.